NEP 2020 Restructuring Curriculum and Pedagogy. Learning should be holistic, integrated, enjoyable, and engaging. Restructuring school curriculum and pedagogy in a new 5+3+3+4 design, consisting of the foundational stage in two parts. The age group 3 to 8 years. First part 3 years of preschool, that is nursery, LKG and UKG. Second part includes 2 years in primary school, that is grade 1 and grade 2. Foundational stage will consist of 5 years of flexible, multi-level, play-based or activity-based learning, and the curriculum and pedagogy of ECCE, that is Early Childhood Care and Education. Second, preparatory stage, age 8 to 11 years and grade 3 to 5 years. Preparatory stage will comprise 3 years of education building on the play-based, discovery-based and activity-based pedagogical and curricular style of the foundational stage, and will also begin to incorporate some light textbooks as well as aspects of more formal but interactive classroom learning. In order to lay a solid groundwork across subjects including reading, writing, speaking, physical education, art, languages, science and mathematics. Third, middle stage, age group 11 to 14 years, grade 6 to 8. The middle stage will comprise 3 years of education building on the pedagogical and curricular style of the preparatory stage, but with the introduction of subject teachers for learning and discussion of the more abstract concepts in each subject that students will be ready for at this stage across the sciences, mathematics, arts, social sciences and humanities. Experiential learning within each subject and explorations of relations among different subjects will be encouraged and emphasized despite the introduction of more specialized subjects and subject teachers. Fourth, secondary stage, age group 14 to 18 years and grade in two phases. First phase grade 9 and 10 and second phase grade 11 and 12. The secondary stage will comprise of 4 years of multidisciplinary study, building on the subject-oriented pedagogical and curricular style of the middle stage, but with greater depth, greater critical thinking, greater attention to aspirations, and greater flexibility and student choice of subjects. In particular, students would continue to have the option of exiting after grade 10 and re-entering in the next phase to pursue occasional or any other courses available in grades 11 and 12, including at a more specialized school if so desired. Holistic development of learners. The key overall thrust of curriculum and pedagogy reform across all stages will be to move the education system towards real understanding and towards learning how to learn, and away from the culture of rote learning as is largely present today. The aim of education will not only be cognitive development but also building character and creating holistic and well-rounded individuals equipped with the key 21st century skills. Ultimately, knowledge is a deep-seated treasure and education helps in its manifestation as the perfection which is already within an individual. All aspects of curriculum and pedagogy will be reoriented and revamped to attain these critical goals. Specific set of skills and values across domains will be identified for integration and incorporation at each stage of learning, from preschool to higher education. NCERT will identify these required skill sets and include mechanisms for their transaction in the National Curriculum Framework for Early Childhood and School Education.